Good morning, y'all. It's an early morning. I just made it to the Grove. It's the middle of September, so you know what time it is. New iPhone's coming out, so you know I gotta get it. There's not a year that goes by where I don't get the new iPhone. I already got my pickup reservation. I'm getting the iPhone 17 Pro Max in orange. Don't know if I'm gonna love it yet. I'm gonna see what it's looking like when I get in there. At some point I might switch to the silver, but let's walk over to the Apple store. Let's go pick up this phone. What's up, y'all? Just made it in. Time to unbox the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I believe what they call in Cosmic Orange. Moment of truth. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's clean. iPhone 17 Pro Max in orange. I'm liking this. Me, typically I usually go after the black iPhone, but this year they didn't include a black iPhone in the 17 Pro lineup. I only do iPhone 17 Pros for all the like camera capabilities and all that. They didn't have black, so I decided to go with the orange. I don't know if I'm gonna stick with it yet. I might be switching to silver. You know, when you buy a new iPhone, you got up to 14 days to return it or swap it out. I'm gonna see how the orange is growing on me for these next couple days and determine if I'm gonna keep it or if I'm gonna switch to the silver, because that silver is clean as well. Especially when Remora dropped their new phone cases. I might be getting that one as well for the 17 Pro Max. But also, don't know yet, because I might be rocking the no case 5s this year. Now, I know we've seen a lot of the specs that they dropped this year with these iPhones in the keynote. So I'm only talk about the features that I think are worth the upgrade. Mainly being them switching from titanium to the aluminum casing, because they added that new vapor chamber that keeps the phone cool. Because that 16 Pro Max, bro, when I tell you I used to be out in the sun recording 4K video and all that stuff, and the phone gets so hot, even through the phone case, bro, the phone was getting so hot, like it will always like just make me so mad. So now I'm excited to see what they did with the new vapor chamber cooling system that's supposed to make these phones so much more cooler and not overheat. That was probably the main one for me, mainly because the cameras were already good on the 16. This one did get a new upgrade with the new telephoto lens. Now all 3 cameras take pictures at 48 megapixels. So that was a good upgrade. You get the ultra wide, you get the main camera, and you get the telephoto all at 48 megapixels. So no matter what focal length you take your photos at now, they all will look super crispy. So that was a great choice made by Apple there. They also included the new 8x telephoto lens. I go to a lot of like sporting events and games, so that comes in clutch for me at some point, but probably won't use that one too much. The next thing that's dope that they added to this phone was the dual capture video. Basically, you could be recording something in front of you, but also the iPhone will be recording your reaction to whatever it is that you're watching. Unfortunately, you can't separate these videos. Whatever you record right here in the picture will be the actual video that's being saved. So your reaction plus the main video that you're filming is going to be showing both at the same time. That's a little bummer, but you know, just shout out for Apple for even integrating that new feature into this new iPhone. What else I like that they incorporated into the new phone is the new center stage front camera. Basically what that does is allow you to take selfies and fit all of your friends into the photo without you having to turn your phone sideways to take that photo. You just press this button and it fits everyone into frame. So that's a dope little addition that Apple has also added into the iPhone this year. Oh yeah, also that new raised lip that they put into the iPhone is so it allows more room for the cooling system that they added, and it allowed Apple to put a bigger battery in the system. So I'm excited to see how long these phones will actually last in a day before, you know, you gotta race to your charger and power them back up. The next big thing for me is probably the 3000 nits of brightness that they added to the iPhone, up from 2000 nits that was on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So now when you're out in the daytime and you need that additional brightness, you should be able to see your phone super clear in broad daylight with the sun beaming with this new 3000 nits that they added. So looking forward to, getting outside and seeing how that displays look in real time. Lastly, we got the new iOS 26 upgrade. I've been on it for a little while now. Typically every year I sign up for the new beta tested systems, even before it hits the public beta, just so I can see what it's about, and by the time the new iPhones drop, I'm already super familiar with it. This new liquid glass that they added to it, I feel like it's pretty clean, but when you guys get the new phone, you'll be able to test it all out and see how you like that upgrade for yourself. But yeah, just wanted to get on here and show y'all the new iPhone. I know everyone's wondering what the orange is looking like, and it's a bunch of different videos on here, but just wanted to record this for you guys so you can get my perspective on what I think of the new iPhone 17 Pro Max in orange. Now that I got this, I actually need to get rid of a couple iPhones because I got the 17 Pro Max now. I have the 16 Pro Max in black with the Rimowa phone case. And I also have the 15 Pro. Way too many phones. Who knows, maybe I might do a phone giveaway. Yeah, I might do that. I might actually do that. If I get 1,000 views on this video, I'm actually gonna give one of my older phones away. How about that? Whether that be the 16 Pro Max or the 15 Pro. I do need to keep 2 phones, one business, one personal. But if I get 1,000 likes on this video, you guys comment what your favorite color is for the new 17 Pros or any of the 17 lineups, whether that's the Air, the Pro, the regular 17. Comment what's your favorite iPhone out of the new drop, and I'll give one of these phones away. But anyway, thanks you guys for tuning in, watching this video, watching me give my take and opinion on this new iPhones, and have a good day.